Hey everybody, Ronaldo Hoffman here of Get Ready First. You've seen a lot of videos where I'm holding my phone like this, and there's two reasons for that. One, too damn lazy to set up my ring light and the tripod and my mic and all that to do a quick video. And two, yeah, that's it. However, I know that, sometimes I need to do an impromptu video or something like that, and I need something quick to be able to set some up. So I was looking to see what's something portable. So I found a kit, pretty dope. Wanted to share with you guys. Let's do this. This cat is not part of the review. So first of all, I was super excited because this actually came in a really nice case, which I wasn't expecting. I was expecting like a little crap cardboard box. No, it's a legit case. We've got some stickers. All right, pretty cool. But what is the main part of this? The first component is this. Now there's already two pieces in here. First is a nice metallic frame and a cell phone holder with a built-in level and plenty of hot shoe options. Threaded options for all sorts of additional devices, everything to your heart's content. Multiple ways of mounting this. Look, another hot shoe option, easy to adjust, so I can unscrew this to turn this left and right, unscrew this to open and close it. And then what I do is I use this little light right here. I need to show you this thing. So it is rechargeable, USB-C. So this is about as accurate as far as what I see on my phone is how bright it is in real life. And that's with most of my lights off. You can see a couple of my aquariums, the jellyfish tank. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And what we see here is just a nice wide coverage, but that's at the lowest setting. Let's take this all the way up. And again, really nice and bright. Probably about 4,500, 5,000K, which is a perfect video light. So let's continue on because there's quite a bit more going on here. We've got this tripod. The tripod's pretty dope. You can use it as a flat tripod where the legs go pretty much flat. You can see here just by twisting it, or you can use it as a standard tripod. Nice all metal construction, rotatable head. Next, we've got this part here. You can put it either on the tripod directly or use it as a selfie stick. Just a nice extension to the tripod. Again, all metal construction, no plastic. Actually, this is all metal too, it looks like. So very well made. Of course, you can't have all that without a remote shutter because nothing looks worse than having to reach on your phone. So it's got a little Bluetooth shutter. You can start and stop right there with an on-off switch, which is great. And if you don't want to use your phone's microphone, you also have a lavalier system built in. It does come with a built-in mic. This is your transmitter. Here is your receiver. You can see easy to pair and then turn the volume up and down. But what's really cool is you can do line in or your microphone, and you can also do your line out or headphone jack for monitoring. This is awesome. If you want to live stream, you can now just do it wirelessly and connect your DJ gear into line in and wirelessly connect it to your computer or your phone, excuse me. And I think I'm actually gonna have to give that a try. This is the TRS to TRS cable, another TRS to TRS cable. It does come with a lapel mic. Is it the greatest sounding thing in the world? No, but it sounds good enough. It sounds better than the iPhone mic because I didn't pick up as much noise. Right now, I am using the iPhone mic just for full disclosure. And then here, let's see what's in this bag. Look, they really thought of everything. And here we've got little windscreens. I cannot say enough good things about this. They really thought everything out. This looks to be, obviously there's a hot shoe mount for, let me see if, oh, this is great. So you have a hot shoe mount for your receiver. So you can pop that off and put this in its place. Damn, that's actually really well thought out too. Good job, MOVO. I like that. And then lapel mic clips. Hell yes. This is perhaps the coolest part, one of my favorite things here. Again, I've already assembled this. There's a little clip for your phone, and it has a wide angle lens. So how good is this wide angle lens? Well, let's take a look. This is one of my original freshwater tanks, and I'm gonna put the cover on. I mean, my goodness, this is a 55-gallon tank, and I am standing not even 3 feet from there. So without it, gotta go here to get it. And then with it. Now I have a case on my phone, so I'm sure it'll look a lot better if I take out that case. But you know, there's no barrel distortion that's too visible. Now barrel distortion means that the edges would be distorted a little bit, as you would see with a lot of wide angle lenses, especially the clip-ons. So here's a quick video just kind of showing how it all gets put together. You'll see the lens on the front, the phone is connected to the mount, to the handheld stabilizer, which you really don't need to use it with a handheld stabilizer. Then you have your light and your microphone. Now keep in mind that if you're gonna use this handheld stabilizer because you want to use the individual clips, then you have to have your phone in this orientation or the lens is going to be too big, unless you're going to record in selfie mode so you can see yourself, which to me makes the most sense. But the reason I say you don't need this on a tripod is because if I wanted to, my microphone could be mounted onto here. Let me show you how. Without the little handheld piece, it's easy to have everything put together. I've got my light and the microphone that I can mount in the front or either side. Now here's what's pretty cool also is on the top of this part here, there is another tripod size mount. So if I wanted to either hold it upside down or put another device, I'd be able to do that. Please note that they did, again, think everything out with the little levels, which is great. So that is the MOVO, I guess the whole kit. I'm not quite sure what you're really gonna call it because I opened this box up way too fast, but it's everything you could think of for just on-the-fly vlogging. Fantastic kit, great light. Thanks so much for watching. Geraldo Hoffman of Gear It First. Have a great night and God bless. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Gear It First, honest reviews, incredible gig logs, lots of tips and tricks, and more tutorials than any other YouTube channel. I guarantee it or your money back.